The Senville LETO series mini split air conditioner and heat pump is a versatile all-in-one solution for keeping your home or office comfortable year-round. Check the link in the description for the best price and latest deals on this highly rated unit. Designed with Alexa compatibility, you can control temperature settings with simple voice commands or via an app from anywhere, making everyday comfort effortless. This 9000 BTU system provides both cooling and heating, functioning efficiently even in low temperatures down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit, while the integrated dehumidifier keeps your space dry and comfortable. With a DC inverter technology and SEER 221.5 rating, it ensures energy efficiency without compromising performance. The ultra-quiet 25 decibel operation is perfect for bedrooms, offices, and other noise-sensitive spaces. Its turbo function accelerates cooling or heating when you need rapid temperature adjustments, giving you complete climate control. A stylish, modern design allows it to blend seamlessly into homes, apartments, or commercial spaces such as stores, cafes, and warehouses. The complete installation package includes the indoor air handler, outdoor condenser, remote control, a 16-foot line set, and communication wire pre-charged with refrigerant, though professional installation is recommended to guarantee optimal performance. Backed by a 5-year warranty on parts and an additional 5 years on the compressor, the Senville LETO Mini Split provides peace of mind alongside reliable operation. Whether for personal use or business environments, it delivers convenience, energy savings, and modern technology in a compact, user-friendly design. Experience the comfort, efficiency, and flexibility of the Senville LETO series, making it a top choice for anyone seeking a dependable and feature-rich mini split air conditioner and heat pump system.